Oh, we're here at Daytona, man. It's cool to be here. Always a fun race. I enjoy this place. We got our 70th anniversary Yamaha this weekend theme, so that's pretty cool. About to go do track walk. We got some rain last night, but I think we might be all right, but we'll see here in a sec.
What are we doing today?
Walking the track.
We're riding a dirt bike. He's riding. I'm watching. We're just cruising. We're checking out. What else we need to do? It's Daytona. We're having a good time. We're here to win.
Just out here at Daytona, just trying to get it in. Having a lot of fun here at the World Center Racing. First practice was a little shaky. Came back, made some adjustments. So getting ready for Heat 1, and we'll see what Florida has for us.
It's kind of quiet, but you know what I like to do? I like to bring it up a little bit. And let's go, boys! It's game time! Let's go! We're on in the night, Daytona!
Quite close, you know, I wanted that win, but you know, it's good points at the end of the day, so I'm happy enough. Heat race wasn't great, but we rebounded for the main. Had some good riding in the main, but yeah, did what we could tonight. Didn't get a good start, but fought back through the pack.
It was a good night. I ended up third on the podium again 2 weeks in a row. So you know, like, I can't be mad. P3. So yeah, just take the positives and head on to Indy. I think we still have the right place, so I'm stoked.